Hello students, from today your ATL Tinkerpreneur Bootcamp has started, and I will show you how you will now log in to your registered page and you can access the material. And all team and individual participants have assigned one mentor, and you can connect with the mentor, you can discuss your problem with him, and lots of things are there. This session, these 9 weeks will gonna be very interesting for you as well as of mine. So by the time or time to time I will make videos which I will share with you to guide you how to do the things and how you should proceed. Now I heard many students could not apply to Tinkerpreneur, but don't worry, main motive is to learn. So all the material which you will get here, all are free, of course open source, all are free. So I will share all the material with you and I will guide you how you should proceed to make or to create a product by yourself. So don't worry, of course you cannot participate in that event as a participant, but you will learn lots of things. You can create your own product on which you can do marketing and lots of things. So stay tuned and learn how we can create a digital product. ATL Innovation Mission has provided a link or you can say an web portal through which you have to log in and you can access all the material there. Now let's go to the web portal and see what other things are there. So this is the page. With there you have to give email ID, your password and the captcha that is given here. So for my login ID, I will give my login credential here. After writing the credential, click on login button, which will take you to the app. I have tried a lot but could not log in from the mobile, so I switched to desktop. So here also you can see my main objective is to show you how this website works. So yes, after giving my email ID, password, so this is the screen you will see. So this is the ATL Innovation Mission logo, and these are some tab, means menus are here. So about ATL you can read, and then the next tab is what? Digital skill. It is a very important one, and and a weekly schedule is given here, what you are going to learn week by week. So today your first week has started. Then some case study is given here, QR code animation robotics. Yes, also you should read time to time. And then the very important thing is that each team is assigned with mentors, and those mentors will be mentoring you to the WhatsApp group or through a Google Meet or so. That's depend upon the mentor how they want to communicate. So by clicking here, you can see your mentor name. Of course, you should know your mentor name, and students who have registered from our school, means using my school ID, they should give me the mentor name and phone number also, so that I can connect to them. And if you go below, then you will see the about objective of the bootcamp and a roadmap, how we will start it, what we will do step by step. Of course, all the materials I will share with you also. Those who have registered, they can view this directly, and those who are not registered, they can also see this now, how this Tinkerpreneur will go. There are lots of steps which you are going to learn, and this is the end goal of the entrepreneur one. Then here, when you click on get skill, you will redirect to a page where a skill list is provided. Here you see you will get tab that called as digital skill. Then if you scroll down below, then you will see some skill category. So the easy, these are divided in groups: easy, then intermediate, then advanced. Like this, I think will be there. So lots of things are there, and these are category wise divided and week wise divided. So the first skill we will see here: create a data input form. Now last year you have given exam using a Google form, most of you have given, so that you need to create now a data input form using the Google form. Now if you click on here, get more details. Okay, so this page will open, creating a data input form. These are plain Google form. There are lots of options how you can use those options to create a, or you can customize a Google form. So lots of information are here you will get, and one video link is also there. Now this video link you can find in my description also. Those who not registered, they can use that link to view this one. And after doing this assignment, after doing this, those who are registered students, they will come to the below and you can submit your assignment using this button. And if any difficulty arises while you are doing this assignment, you can ask me or you can ask your mentor with that problem. Next, here is one slide, Google slide is given, how to proceed. You can learn from this slide also. So yeah, I'm quickly browsing through the slides, what it is there. And the first step to create a Google form is to open the Google form. Okay, so I will show you just quickly. Click on the new tab and here you write Google form, Google Forms. Remember, you should be logging with an email ID. So I have login here with an email ID. So when I will click on this Google form create, it will automatically take you to this Google form page, and by clicking here, or you can use a other tab also. To continue the forms also you can click, which will take you to the Google Forms directly, and you can customize that form. I will not make this video too long, so when you click on blank, it will create a blank one, or you can use a template from the gallery also. Now for what purpose you will create the Google form, this you can see here. For to create a survey, you can create a Google form. To make a quiz, you can use a Google form. To make a questionnaire, you can create a Google form. You can create a quiz on basis on some topic also. So that is general knowledge, or maybe knowledge of science, maybe knowledge of social science, anything you can include. You can create a survey to collect information from the people, or you can customize in any other way as per your need. So this is your first skill under the ATL Tinkerpreneur Bootcamp. Hope you have learned a lot. Now you go and explore how to do all this.